I didn't realize how many harsh lessons I'd have to learn the hard way until I became a parent and an entrepreneur at the same time. People online always show you the highlight reels, the 4 a.m. routines, the color-coded calendars, the just grind harder mentality, but nobody talks about what actually happens when you're trying to grow a business while your toddler is throwing blueberries on the floor, your newborn won't nap or sleep all night, and you haven't finished a meal without reheating it at least 3 times. Today, I want to share the lessons that punched me in the face, shifted my entire perspective, and shaped the way I work and show up for my family. Before we jump in, I'm Zeus. I've helped dozens of small businesses grow. I've generated over 200 million views across all platforms, and I've built multiple brands and businesses, all from the comfort of my home with 2 kids under 2, as a husband who's just as involved in cleaning, cooking, and tag teaming life with my wife. Let's get into it. The first lesson I'll be talking about today is you can't out-hustle real life. Before kids, I thought entrepreneurship was all about discipline and time management. Like if I just worked harder, everything would fall into place. But when you're a parent, you don't control your time anymore. Your energy shifts, plans collapse, kids get sick, you're up at 3 a.m. rocking a baby instead of editing a video. And here's the lesson. Your business shouldn't be built on a routine that falls apart the second your kids need you. I used to feel guilty for not sticking to the perfect schedule. Now I build flexible systems that bend with my family and my needs, not break. The second lesson I'll be talking about is you can't do this alone. I used to believe I had to carry everything myself. The business, the brand, the content, the strategy, the house, the cleaning, all of it. But the truth is, entrepreneurship as a parent is a team sport. When my wife cooks, I clean. When she needs a moment to breathe, I take the boys. When I need to edit or take calls, she starts a homeschool activity. The harsh lesson was realizing that doing everything alone wasn't strength. It was ego. What actually changed my life was learning how to lean on my partner and create balance instead of burnout. The third lesson I'll be talking about is your time is too expensive to waste. This is the one that burned the most, because when you have kids, your time becomes the most valuable currency you have. Not money, not views, not opportunity, time. And every minute you spend doing the wrong things, whether it's over editing, overthinking, or handling tasks you should have delegated, you're stealing time from your kids, your spouse, and yourself. That led directly into the moment that completely changed how I handle everything from finances as a business owner and a dad. There was a moment, and every parent and entrepreneur will relate to this, where I realized I was probably leaving thousands of dollars on the table simply because I didn't have the time or mental bandwidth to analyze all my accounts. Between running businesses, creating content, talking to brands, cleaning, switching shifts with my wife, and trying to be present for my kids, the last thing I had was the energy for going through multiple brokerage accounts, old 401k, retirement funds, all scattered everywhere. And that's when the missing $10,000 moment hit me. Most of us don't realize how much money slips through the cracks. Tax savings, duplicate risk exposure, unnecessary fees, simply because no single advisor or app sees everything. My traditional advisor couldn't see my old employer 401k, my self-employed accounts, my taxable brokerage, my long-term retirement fund. And because she couldn't see it, she couldn't advise me on it. That means blind spots, missed opportunities, and honestly, a lot of unnecessary risk. That's exactly why I started using Mezzi. Mezzi is the only platform I've found that actually connects every account and analyzes everything together using AI 24/7. I connected all my accounts and instantly it flagged hidden risks I didn't didn't realize I had. It found tax loss harvesting opportunities. It showed duplicated exposure I never noticed across multiple funds, and it highlighted inefficiencies that could easily add up to thousands a year. All things a traditional advisor missed simply because they didn't even see those accounts. And as a parent, as a business owner with limited time, having that full picture clarity without paying $10,000 a year or waiting days for an answer, it's a game changer. So if you want the same clarity I got, you can check out Mezzi using my link below. This is a paid partnership with Mezzi. Individual results may vary. The fourth lesson is your identity will change. Let it. Before kids, I thought my value came from how much I produced, how fast I could scale a brand, how many videos I could upload, how many clients I could take on. But becoming a dad humbled me in a way I wasn't expecting. I don't measure success the same way anymore. It's not views or revenue. It's whether I showed up for my wife, whether I read to my kids before bed, whether my business supports my family instead of competing with them. The harsh lesson: your business should evolve with your family, not against it. The fifth and final lesson I'll be talking about today is build a business that your future self can thank you for. At some point, you realize you don't just work for yourself anymore. You work for the version of your kids who will one day ask, "Dad, where were you?" That question rewired my entire approach to entrepreneurship. I still work hard, I still build, I still dream big, but I don't sacrifice the years I can't get back. I don't chase opportunities that pull me away from what matters the most to me. And I don't build anything that costs me my family. Building a business as a parent is messy. It's exhausting, it's humbling, and honestly, it's the greatest teacher I've ever had. If you're in this season too, juggling life, dishes, diapers, deadlines, you're not behind. You're not failing. You're learning. You're learning lessons that will make you stronger, more patient, more intentional, and more resilient than you have ever imagined. And if you want more videos just like this with actual strategies, business ideas, and behind the scenes from a real work from home dad, make sure to subscribe. We're on a mission to hit 100K subscribers, so drop a like and hit that subscribe button. This is Zeus or Daz. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.